Welcome. In today's video, we're walking you through the latest way to allow third-party sign-in permissions on the Facebook app using your PC. If you've noticed that some apps or websites can no longer sign in through Facebook, this update might be the reason. Don't worry, we'll guide you step by step to get it sorted out in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First things first, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small dots. Go ahead and click on them. This will open a menu with several options related to the app settings. From that menu, select App Info. This may take you out of Facebook and into your system's settings panel. Don't worry, that's exactly where we need to be. Now, once you're in the App Info section, look for the option that says Settings and click on it. This will give you access to deeper customization options for the Facebook app. Next, scroll down and find the setting called More Settings and Permissions. Go ahead and click on that. You're almost there. Now, within this section, look for the third-party sign-in setting. On the right-hand side of this option, you'll see a toggle or a drop-down menu. Simply select Allow, and that's it. You've successfully enabled third-party sign-in permission for your Facebook app. Enabling this setting ensures that you can easily sign in or connect through Facebook on various apps and websites without any interruptions. It's a small but important change that's become more necessary with the platform's latest updates. Before you go, make sure to double-check that the setting has saved correctly. You might want to restart the app just to be sure everything is working smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more quick and easy tech tips. See you next time.